It's the middle of summer. Was mowing the lawn. Look what happened. The lawnmower wheel broke. What a pain. But I think it's going to be pretty easy to change out. I went ahead and ordered the part. I bought a couple of these new wheels from J. Thomas Parts. I can put the link in the description. I think this will come off pretty easily, and I'll show you how to replace it. I've even heard of people saying that they would buy a whole new mower in this case, and that's definitely not necessary. First step, prop up your mower. I just have an old 2x4 here. Just prop the deck of the mower up. Get yourself a socket set. Socket wrench. This one on here is a 1/2 inch. It's the one that I found that fit. Stick it in there. It might be on there kind of tight. Oop. That one comes off. You have the bolt with the built-in washer and the washer that went here. So simple enough. Get the new wheel. Slip the bolt through. Put that washer back in place. And we'll get it started. I'll pause here for a second. Alright, so I started that bolt in there, and you simply tighten it up the rest of the way. There you go, brand new wheel, and this thing should last many more years. It's a simple fix. You can do it. Hey, if I can do it one-handed, kind of clumsily, in a very short amount of time, you could do it with two hands much easier, and it'll be very quick to do, and you'll save yourself a lot of time and money just simply by having to go to somebody to do it. I mean, give me a break. You're gonna have to take your lawnmower in there, wait for them to get you into their schedule, and then they'll do exactly what I did in, less than 5 minutes. Do it yourself. This is something that's not a big deal. Take care of some of these things yourself. You're gonna save yourself time and money. All right, hey, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.